Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable BitLocker encryption on Windows 10, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable BitLocker encryption on Windows 10, begin by ensuring your Windows version supports it. Go to the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar. Select the Control Panel from the search results. Once in the Control Panel, navigate to System and Security. Find and click on BitLocker Drive Encryption. Look for the drive you wish to encrypt. Click on the Turn on BitLocker option next to the selected drive. The BitLocker setup wizard will launch. If prompted, choose how you want to unlock the drive at startup. You can select to use a password or a USB flash drive. Once you have made your choice, click Next. Next, you will be asked to choose how you want to back up your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, save it to a USB drive, or print it. Choose your preferred method and click Next. On the next screen, choose whether to encrypt the entire drive or just the used space. If you're setting up a new drive, encrypting the entire drive may be better. Click Next when you've made your selection. Now, you will see options for compatibility mode. Select the option that suits your needs and click Next. Finally, click Start Encrypting to begin the encryption process. This may take some time depending on the size of the drive and the amount of data. You can continue using your computer while encryption is underway. Once the process is complete, you will receive a notification. Your drive is now encrypted, providing enhanced security for your data. Make sure to keep your recovery key in a safe place. Remember that encryption can protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. You can always manage BitLocker settings from the same control panel section if needed. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled BitLocker encryption on your Windows 10 device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.